Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and in case you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Yes, I have an amazing recipe for us today. I have garden eggs here. Alright, garden eggs is power packed. Sometimes it's been looked down on. So I want to share with you the benefits of eating garden eggs. Garden eggs aid weight loss. It aids digestion, it aids vision, and also garden eggs regulates blood sugar for those that have diabetes, and also it's an anti-cancer. So you can see that garden eggs is not what you should ignore. Alright, so please, I want you guys to inculcate it in your diet. It's very nice, it's very good, it's very beneficial to the health. So as you guys can see here, I have 3 different species of garden eggs here. This is one. Hope you guys are seeing this. Is greenish in color compared to these other ones. It has a very bitter taste. So these garden eggs, or this particular species of garden egg, is powerful. All right, is highly powerful. So if you are into a weight loss program, this is a yes for you. It's not as popular as these other ones, but once you get hold of it, please try to take it. All right, try to inculcate it in your diet. This particular species is very nice. I don't joke with it, I always eat it, and like I said earlier, it has a very bitter taste. All right, so it's worth giving a try. Okay, the next is this is another species of garden eggs. Hope you guys are seeing it. It's not fully rounded. It has a kind of flower shape. Hope you guys are seeing it. This particular species is normally sweet. So if you like something sweet, you could go for this species. You could go for this particular species if you like something sweet. The next here is the garden eggs that is popular, yes, and seen, yes, popularly seen. Sorry, this garden eggs is round in shape, and it's not too sweet, it's not too bitter. So if you like something not too sweet, not too bitter, you could go for this. Like I said, garden eggs has lots and lots of health benefits. It's also good for recipes. You can use it for your Abacha. You could use it for your garden egg sauce, for your white rice. You can also use it to prepare porridge yam. All right, so it has lots and lots of health benefits. So please try to inculcate it in your diet. It's very nice. I don't joke with it, like I said earlier. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video, and bye for now.